Welcome to Cityscape Egypt, from its inception to the upcoming 13th edition this September. It all began in 2012, when Cityscape Egypt emerged as a platform that redefined the real estate landscape. A place where visionaries, investors, and industry experts converged to forge new paths and shape the future. Year after year, Cityscape Egypt has grown in stature, becoming Egypt's largest real estate exhibition. Cityscape Egypt covers all aspects of the real estate market, from residential to commercial, from retail to hospitality, and from mixed use to industrial. At the heart of our story, we are shaping real estate sector evolution, connecting the whole real estate community together. For over a decade, Cityscape Egypt became a catalyst for real estate growth, uniting stakeholders from public and private sectors, building trust, providing insights, opportunities, and partnerships. Now, get ready for the 13th edition of Cityscape Egypt from the 25th to 28th of September 2024 at Egypt International Exhibition Center. This edition promises to be bigger and better than ever before, with more exhibitors, more projects, more offers, more features, over 4 halls and 38,000 square meters, and more than 80 exhibitors. Join us at Cityscape Egypt 2024 and step into an extraordinary real estate journey.